Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the dark mode in Windows 11 here. So as you can see, my task manager is in light mode here, and also my file explorer is in the light mode here. So if you want to turn on the dark mode, just go to your start menu, click on start menu and find the settings option here. So if you can find the settings here, you can search for here. So just click on settings. After opening the settings option in the left here you will see option called personalization. So just click on personalization here, and after that you have to choose colors and themes here. So first of all, you just need to tap on colors here. Here, as you can see, choose your mode here. So just if you have light option, click on dark, and as you can see, your app is now in dark mode here. So all the application you have used now is going to be dark mode, also the task manager. So if I go to the file explorer, as you can see, this is also in now dark mode here. So that's it guys, this is how you turn on dark mode in Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.